Mapetex is an interwoven polyester anti-fracture fleece which allows for fast installation of ceramic and stone tiles on problematic substrates. Mapetex is made up of multiple layers and works by stopping stress movements transferring from the substrate through to the tiled and grouted finish. Due to the nature of the product, it is extremely thin, which means, unlike other products available, the height of the finished floor is not dissimilar to that without the product. Mapetex can be used for a variety of reasons: tiling over cracks or day joints in screeds, bridging different substrate materials, fixing tiles to non-commissioned underfloor heating systems or green screeds. Mapei technical advice should be sought in these scenarios: fixing natural stone materials to encapsulated electrical under-tile heating, to reduce stresses on tiles in doorways. The floor must be dry and contamination-free. Timber floors must be screwed down and not suffer from deflective movement. Once the floor is confirmed as suitable, the Mapetex can be rolled out and cut to the approximate size and shape required. It can be cut simply with scissors or a sharp knife. If applying to a softwood T&G, then an application of Mapei Primer G may be required. Mapei Primer G can be applied using a brush or roller. Mapetex should be installed using Mapei Kerequick, incorporating Mapei Latex Plus to adhere the Mapetex to the substrate. Mapei Latex Plus and Mapei Kerequick should be mixed in a clean mixing vessel. Pour the Mapei Latex Plus into the mixing vessel. Add the Mapei Kerequick powder and mix with a mechanical stirrer until a smooth, lump-free consistency is obtained. Allow the product to stand for 2 to 3 minutes, which will allow the product to slake. Mix the adhesive again with the mechanical stirrer. The adhesive is now ready to be applied to the substrate. A small notched trowel, such as a 4 mm square notch, should be used to spread the adhesive to the substrate. Once an adequate area has been covered, the Mapetex can be rolled into the adhesive. When applying the next piece of material, the Mapetex should be overlapped by 10 mm. Excess adhesive can be removed at this point. If a mosaic tile finish is required, then the joints must be butted and not overlapped. Once installed, the underlying adhesive is best left to dry. Once dry, the tile finish can be installed. The adhesive choice for the tiled finish is dependent on various circumstances, and if there is any uncertainty, Mapei Technical Department should be contacted.